Have you ever encountered issues when trying to back up Gmail data using Google Takeout and it suddenly stopped working or downloading files? This could be due to multiple reasons like excessive file size, interrupted internet connection, third-party ad blockers, expired data download link, restrictions with shared with me files, or too many failed download attempts. You can bypass these issues with the Kernel IMAP backup tool, which can be used to back up Gmail data. Let's see the working process of the software for secure data backup. Download, install, and launch Kernel IMAP Backup and Restore tool. Here, you'll see two options. Click on the Backup option. Click on the Add button to connect your Gmail account. Provide server name, user email, password, and port number, then click Add. Click on the Set Filter and Migrate button to move forward. You can scroll down to preview Gmail mailbox folders. If you want to back up selective data, then click on the cross button to unselect all the folders. Now select only the needed folders to backup. Apply Date Filter, exclude deleted folders, exclude empty folders, select if you want to save all data hierarchy into a separate folder, set Operation Timeout for larger emails while uploading or downloading, ranging from 2 minutes to 20 minutes, and skip previously migrated items. Moving ahead, click on I am OK, Start Migration button. Select PST as output type for backup, and click OK. Now, provide a saving location or make a new folder, then click OK. The software will begin to back up Gmail data into a PST file. You can view live progress. Upon completion, you'll receive a success message. Click OK. Click Save Reports to CSV to keep progress summary. Provide destination and name, then click Save. In this way, your Gmail data is securely backed up into a PST file in your desired location. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the official website to get the detailed information about the software.